Hi guys. Okay, so this is my last day at my AIRBNB apartment before I head to Caro 17 dormitory. You know, school is starting soon, so this is the whole, whole emotions start popping in. So today I'll be heading to the dormitory for the first time. I have my bags all packed. I don't know when exactly the dormitory opens, so I just sent a message to group chat to confirm from anyone. But I have my bags ready. I've been here for about 11 days because my quarantine ended yesterday. So anytime you come into Estonia, you have a quarantine period. If you're not vaccinated, that rolls for 10 days. Then on the 11th day, you're free to access any way you want to access. So you must have done a coronavirus test prior to getting to Estonia, 72 hours before getting to Estonia, or you do a test on the day of arrival. When you do that, you can run your 10 days of isolation, or you can exit early by doing a day 6 test. So, well, this video is not about that. This video is just about the fact that I'm leaving my AIRBNB, sweet AIRBNB space to Caro 17 dormitory. I definitely will do a video for Caro 17 dormitory, but I'll take you around my AIRBNB space to see how it looks like. Okay, this is my AIRBNB space. This is my room. I know it looks a little bit small. Yeah, it's small. It's not that it looks a little bit small. It fits just one person. Yeah, well, this is how it looks like. So in case you want to isolate anytime in Estonia, I'll drop the AIRBNB link down below. So just check it out. Not bad, right? We also have your heater at the side here. Personal heater for the room in case you're feeling a little bit cold. Okay, this is one room. Then this is the parlor, the kitchen, and every other thing. So this is my parlor space. Yeah, this is my parlor space. So you see, here you have the mini kitchen, and also here you have let me take off my bags. Also here you have your fridge, so you can keep it. You have the fridge here. You also have the freezer section here. See how it gets really cold? I have stuffs in it. You have a freezer as well, and also you have a washing machine fixed for you in the same spot. Pretty cool, right? You have your kitchen area where you have your microwave as well. The microwave is set up there if you need to use it. You also have your inductive stove top, induction stove top, pardon me, your induction stove top right here. So if you want to cook something, you turn it on. Yeah, it's easy to use. And you have your extractor in case you want to burn down the house and cook something, and draw your extractor out, turn it on while you're cooking, so the smoke just goes into it. Then everything is available, everything you need. Cups, glass cups for your champagne or your wine, spoons, your other cups, and yeah, a microwave. You also have your frying pan and an extra pot for you in case you want to cook something. Yeah, so everything is available within the space, and you have your other plates here in this section. So you also have your kettle there in case you want to boil water. That's available for you, and your hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer is available, so in case anybody comes to visit you, but while you're isolated, I'm not sure anybody will want to visit you, but in case anybody comes, you give them the hand sanitizer. Then you have your waste bin section here, so just in case. Yeah, and you have this here just extra space in case you need to put stuffs in it. Yeah, it's empty. I used to store my shopping nylon here as well, and this extra sheets, extra towel in case you have a second person in the apartment. So there's extra sheets, extra towel as well, and this is empty. Yeah, this is empty as well, so in case you need to put stuffs, you have everything available. You have your Wi-Fi access as well. You have your TV connected to the internet, so anything you want to watch is up to you. And okay, you have this fancy space which I really like. You have the lightings here as well, probably if you want to read. I never really used it. And you also have this beds chair that reclines, I guess. So when you draw them, they come out. I have to put my bags there, so it's going to be really stressful to pull them. So you just draw them out, and you have extra sheets, extra pillows right underneath that. So this is the space. Pretty small, but it has every single thing in it. I definitely will miss the spot. Definitely will miss the spot. Yes, it also has a section you need to hang your stuff, keep your bags. You get, and this is the restroom section. This is the restroom section. Not bad. Everything's readily available. Your heater is available 24/7. Nobody stops you, say, okay, you're going to be using cold water. No, your heater is available. Your toilets, you have extra towels there, and this is the one I've been using. It's quite wet, and you see how it is. Everything is there. Your hand wash. You also have your mirror to look at yourself. You get your mirror to look at yourself. Hi guys. So everything is readily available. Yeah, so that's a tour of my little isolation space. It's been amazing for 12 days. I've had fun in this space. Like, I've enjoyed myself. I've just been relaxing, watching TV, you know, watching Big Brother, streaming, you know, doing YouTube, eating. I've been cooking. You know me, I like my food, so I've been cooking a lot, eating, and it's been fun. It's been fun here for a couple of days. I forgot to show you the lightings. I like this. It's my favorite thing in the house. See how beautiful it is. Well, so it's been good. I'm heading to the dormitory soon. I'm just waiting for the message so I can just pop in there, you know. I'll do a little video of the dormitory, out of the dormitory, and in the dormitory, and you see the video. Alright guys, cheers. Okay, it's time to say bye-bye to this place. See you later. Bye.